everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we'll discuss about the transfer function. So transfer function play a very important role in every kind of system to analyze its behavior, either it's in S domain, Z domain, and whatever domain over there. So for analyzing the behavior of system, transfer function plays a very important role, we can say. So by definition, it gives the relationship between the output and input of the system, and that is also known as the transfer function as well. So we can say that the ratio of Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace transform of input under the assumption of zero initial condition is defined as the transfer function. So we are given with the signal of f of t, we can say, then we will convert this signal into f of s. So similarly, the ratio of output upon input in S domain, or Laplace transform of output divided by the Laplace transform of input, is given the transfer function of the system. So we will analyze this thing by this example. So we are here with a system like which have a transfer function gt, and which have an input rt and output is ct. And similarly, we'll convert this into Laplace transform. So LT operator will be applied over there. This RT will be converted into RS, and GT will be converted into GS, and CT will be converted into CS. So parallelly, we will analyze the transfer function of these two functions. So this is our open loop system basically. So CT is the output, RT is input, and GT is our system function. So as we say that the Laplace transform of the output divided by the Laplace transform of input is your transfer function, and CT Laplace transform will CS, and RT Laplace transform will be RS, and GT Laplace transform will be GS. So Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input is equal to our transfer function, that is nothing but GS. So CS is our output and RS is our input. So this is our transfer function. So you can see that it will give the relationship between the input and output. Next, the transfer function of closed loop system. As we know that in closed loop system, we are with external or we additional element like feedback and element and one of our error detector. So RS is input over here, ES is the error signal which compare the feedback signal and input signal, and GS is the transfer function of the system, CS is the output, and HS is the transfer function of our feedback element, and BS is the output of our feedback element or feedback signal, we can say. So we'll calculate the error signal ES, that is nothing but RS minus BS. So we will write this equation, ES is equal to RS minus BS. So if we'll calculate the RS from here, then ES plus BS will be the equation. So if we'll calculate the feedback function of this signal, then input will be CS over here, transfer function will be HS, and BS will be our output. So output upon input will be HS. So we can say that HS is equal to BS upon CS. So we will calculate the BS from here, that is HS into CS. So this is another equation second. Then if we will calculate the CL of the system, then again we will make a transfer function of this one. So you can apply this formula on this equation. So output is this one, input is ES, and transfer function is this. So CS upon ES is equal to GS. So CS upon ES is equal to GS. So finally we'll calculate the CS from this equation, we will get this one. नाउ सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन 1. ये दिस इक्वेशन 1 इसका वैल्यू हमें किसमें पुट करना है, इस थर्ड इक्वेशन में पुट करना है. सो वी आर हियर विद दिस इक्वेशन. सो इस इक्वेशन को विल पुट ओवर हियर, देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ आवर दैट इज ES का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, विल गेट दिस इक्वेशन. And finally, if we'll convert this thing over here, then BS we will calculate from this formula. Then equation 2 ka value will put over here, this one. Then substitute the value of BS from the equation 2 to 4. So this 2 equation we will put over here in 4 equation. Then finally we will get the equation like that. We will multiply this GS with the RS and BS as well. Then CS is equal to GS RS minus GS HS into CS. So we'll take the common both of the factor, and we will put the value like this one. So finally we'll calculate the transfer function CS by RS, GS upon 1 plus GS into HS. So this is the transfer function of our closed loop system. Thank you very much. This is all about the closed loop transfer function and open loop transfer function. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on control system. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.